Hello, I'm Professor Kimberly Theidon, and I'm here to tell you a bit about a new course that I'll be teaching this spring, Environmental Humanities and Global Health. I'm very excited about it because it brings together some of the key concerns that I have explored in my own research. When we think about the environmental humanities and global health, these are emergent transdisciplinary fields, and they must be articulated to understand the health of the planet and the health of all entities that inhabit it. So central to some of the questions we'll explore in this class is, what does it mean to be human in a time of global environmental change? What should environmental ethics look like in our contemporary era? How are political, social, and economic structures and inequities intertwined with ecological realities? How do we care for the more than human and beyond the human, given the anthropocentric nature of most human rights frameworks? How do we capture and account and redress the kind of ecological devastation that accompanies the Anthropocene? Scholars in the environmental humanities ask and seek to answer these questions and to develop more equitable ecologies. We will look then at humanly authored natural disasters. We will look at pathogens, among which we should include racism, structural inequalities. We will look at worldwide webs, trees, and how they communicate. We will also look at what's been called the sixth extinction, when so many of the other entities with which we share this planet are on the brink of disappearing. We will talk very much about the exposure to risk and how it traces the fault lines of any given society, something made abundantly clear during the COVID-19 epidemic. I'll draw on some of my own work in Colombia to look at a river with rights and what it means to begin to extend the rights framework to account for rivers as both victims of our own conflict, but also as actors and subjects of rights. Colombia is at the forefront of that. And we'll end with what all of this means for those of us going out into the field, whether you see yourself in a more academic framework, the practitioner. I think we merge the two so well here at Fletcher, and I hope to send you out prepared to really work on what I consider to be some of the most pressing issues of our time: climate change, land degradation, loss of biodiversity, water scarcity, toxic environments. There's lots to discuss, and I hope I get to see some of you, as many as you like, in the spring. Take care.